Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the vlog. I know that I explained this in the last vlog, but just in case you didn't see it, this week's vlog is in 2 parts because I'm finding it really hard to edit down an hour long of footage. I don't know why there's so much footage in this week's vlog, but there just is. So instead you're going to get 2 vlogs because I can just do half an hour of editing at a time whilst Noah's sleeping. I already explained that, like, it's really hard to like edit and work and do YouTube whilst he's awake. Editing down a half an hour vlog I've no problem with. So in order for you guys to get a vlog this week, I'm just going to do it as 2 vlogs. So you'll have the one yesterday and the one today. So I hope that helps. Anyway, here's the rest of the vlog. Morning everyone, happy Thursday. I did not vlog yesterday, just nothing going on, but today I'm getting my brows laminated. I haven't had my brows done since I think Noah was born, like just after he was born, so I'm very excited to have my brows done. They have been looking like a ratchet hot mess lately. And then I'm going out to Amy today, so I'm going to spend time with her. She got a new doggy, which I'm really excited to see, Belle, and she hasn't seen Noah in a while, so I'm going to bring him out and we're going to hang out with Amy for the afternoon. So I'm looking forward to my day today, because the last few days I've just spent kind of cooped up in the house and I was going a bit stir crazy yesterday. So today I decided, get out of the house, you have your brow appointment, go out, spend some time with your friends. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm going out next weekend. It's one of Paddy's really good friend's birthday, so we are having a party, but I have to get an outfit for it because I just want something new. I really do. But I found a lovely linen white dress on Zara and it's out of stock everywhere bar Dundrum, so we're going to Dundrum on Saturday I think, just to pick it up. So I might ring them actually today. I don't know if you can put stuff by for 2 days. I don't know, because I feel like it's going to sell out. I've checked the website, like I've literally been hounding it, and I want this dress so bad. It's not like any particular reason that I want this dress, I just liked it. Now it's like almost impossible to get. I feel like white's a really difficult colour to wear. For me, I like a nice natural tan with it, so obviously you can't wear like fake tan. I have like a nice natural tan now, so I want a white dress, but this is what the dress looks like. And yeah, I don't know why I'm so like hell-bent on getting it, but it's out of stock. But then when you go to like in-store, now I don't know if this is true, in-store availability, because sometimes like I type this in and then they say it's in whatever Zara, and then you actually go in and it's nowhere to be seen. But I just type in Dublin. I'll drive to any Zara anywhere in Dublin to find it. It says that it's in Dundrum, and then there's also size small in Blanche, but I want the extra small. I haven't really been talking to you guys a lot about like weight or anything, or weight loss, or trying to get my body back after the baby, because I kind of just haven't been doing anything. I haven't done any exercise. I tried to do HIIT exercise a couple weeks back and I just didn't feel right, like doing like the jumping jacks and some of the exercises. Like I just felt like my body was just not able for it, which is like completely understandable. I think I was only 8 weeks postpartum, whereas now I'm 13 weeks, so I feel like, you know, maybe I could start doing a bit of exercise now, but it just did not feel right at all. I can't explain how or why, but it just didn't feel like everything was in place. I know, weird. Got one of those scales, you know, the ones from Amazon that do like your BMI and your basal metabolic rate, really kind of high tech, like your bone density. I don't know how it calculates that because it's just a cheapo one. The really expensive ones that I used while I was studying, like very expensive, high techy, and you had to like hold on to them. You kind of had a bar that came out the middle and you held on to it, and then you had a thing that went around your finger as well. So I don't know how this one from Amazon, but obviously tech has like advanced since I last used it. I was on it recently and I was just like tracking my weight. I don't remember what I weighed before I got pregnant. Like if I'm weighing myself, triggers me big time. Like if I don't see a weight on the scales that I feel acceptable, I just struggle with it. Anyway, yeah, I got the weighing scales, and like I said, when I was weighing myself and stuff, I was happy enough with the number I was seeing. It's really strange. You have to be in like my mind. Anyway, but I have lost 5 pounds since I got that scales. So I actually feel like I'm nearly back to my postpartum weight because I can fit into all my clothes that I wore before. Such a long-winded thing, but yeah, I want the extra small dress because I feel like the small will be just a bit gappy on me. The only area that I'm worried about is my boobs because they are a little bit, like, I think they're a cup size bigger than they were before. I can fit into like a full C, whereas before I was struggling to fit into a B, like, so I think I'm like a whole cup size bigger, maybe even like a cup and a half, but you can't like get a cup and a half. Like a D is too big. I have D bras, they're too big, and a C I just fill. Anyway, I'm talking rubbish now, so I'm going to sort my face out and hair whilst Noah's sleeping, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Guys, Noah has been asleep for the last hour. I know I look insane right now. I have gotten to curl my hair. I just put on concealer and that primer from, where's it gone? Ugh, always looking for things, can never find anything. The primer from Aldi, I just put that on my face, and then just the concealer, the Pixie, you know, the blushes. I think I've talked about them before. Pillow Talk lip liner and lipstick, and I've nothing in my brows obviously because I'm getting them done. And the mascara that I'm using is the Lift Up from Catrice. I really like this mascara, it's really good. Just hearing him stir right now, so like I said, he's been down for an hour. I am gonna go down and get him. Done so much with myself today, it's crazy because he's had a nap. He never naps during the day, he's just not a napper. He might cat nap for like 20 minutes maybe max, but he's a great sleeper. He sleeps for 12 hours every night, but I'm just not used to this napping during the day. I'm going to take all these out now. So I just took out my pin curls, and I'm going to brush through these. They're very curly. Noah's going back for another nap. I don't know what's going on. We've been playing down in his little play mat for the last like hour and a half maybe, and he had a feed, and now he's like drifting away. So I put him in his swing. My dad's down there watching an auction of Pink Floyd's guitars, so on TV, so he's just keeping an eye on him because I'm gonna go get ready, go get my brows done, and I think Paddy's gonna take him while I'm away, like I said, getting my brows done. I really like that hair curler, like it's so good. This was sent to me in Pure, and it's probably one of the best hair curlers I've used in so long. It's absolutely amazing. It's the B Alame. I think I've talked about it before on my channel and maybe haven't, and that's the first you're seeing it, but I'll link it down below because it's such a good hair curler. Like the curls last so long. It gets very hot, so you need lots of heat treatment, but you can adjust the settings here. Like you can turn it up, you can, well, once you turn it on, temperature comes up, so it's at 215 degrees, but I turn it down to 190. And then you see on the clock, it'll show, yeah, you can see it kind of climbing up in temperature. It's actually such a good hair curler. I love it. I haven't tried anything as good as it. The only thing is, because I use hairspray on my hair, some of the other hair bits get covered in hairspray after I use it, but the hairspray seems to have attached itself onto the barrel, so I just need to figure out how to clean the barrel, like clean off any residue off it. If anybody has any tips on how to clean a curling iron, the barrel, I'd love to hear them. Anyway, I think that's me pretty much done. I can't wait to get these brows done because right now they just look awful. So we're off to go and get the brows done. Wow, I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't had my brows done and I don't know how long, and I just am dying to get them done. Noah is with Paddy and they're just having lunch at the moment, and I think then they're going for a walk. He was saying he was going to bring them out in the buggy, so I'm going to get back and then go out to Amy. I just can't wait to go out and see her. Oh, also there's like a new housing estate been built right beside where my housing estate is, my home housing estate, but we had a look at the plans of the houses because we're like, oh, a new build, but they're just not what we're looking for, size wise, layout wise, and yeah, it's kind of just annoying. Like house hunting is so hard. Haven't really spoken about it much because it's just very annoying at the moment because there's a housing crisis in Ireland, obviously, as you guys know if you watch the news. If you're from Ireland, you'll know that. If you're not from Ireland, you may not know that. And also, Dublin is the most expensive place to live in Europe. Dublin's more expensive to live in than Paris. I think they said London to rent, and then like versus the income and stuff like that, and to buy. So it's ridiculously expensive. Like, you're talking minimum for like a 4-bed house about $500,000 if you're looking in a nice kind of area, and that's just for a 4-bed semi-D. Like, it's not anything fancy. It's not like, you know, it's just madness. So we have gone to view a few houses, and the houses that we've gone to see, they have been not exactly what we're looking for. They were second-hand houses. We do have a deposit down on a new build. The housing situation for us is a bit up in the air, and I think anybody who's looking for houses will know the stress and the struggle of house hunting. Like, it's just so annoying. It is just incredibly stressful. I didn't want to be house hunting when I was pregnant with Noah. We decided that we would wait till he was born, and then we would do it when I felt up to it. So we've been looking for the last month, not that long, but it's just kind of getting the ball rolling. Actually, I would say since like mid-June, so maybe like 2 months now. But we've just been trying to get the ball rolling, kind of seeing what's out there. A whole lot of nothing. And my nanny always said, like, what's for you won't pass you, and when the right place, right house, right partner, right situation, right job, right whatever will come about at the right time. So you just can't push it. Because I know when I was looking for a car, I was getting so disheartened looking at cars, and I was like, will I ever find my car? And then this one just popped up all of a sudden. The right house for us is out there. We just have to come across it. Maybe it's not ready, maybe it's not built, you know. It's just kind of one of those things that will happen when the time is right. But it's just, house hunting in Ireland is, anywhere, like I said, it's incredibly stressful, but Ireland at the moment is just one of the most difficult places to buy. So hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, the right place will pop up when we least expect it. So I'm all parked up. I don't know why this camera is making me look so pink. These are what my eyebrows look like now, and then we'll just go in and get them done. I'm so excited for them to be all fixed. Back with my brows done. They look a million times better. They're a bit red obviously from where they were waxed, and I am just so excited to have laminated brows and brows done again. It just feels so good. They just look really, really great. Like I said, they're a bit red at the moment. Look at this brow, looking fierce. Anyway, I am going to call out to Amy now, so I'm just going to pack Noah up into the car, and I won't talk to you again for the rest of the day, but I'll talk to you tomorrow when I get my nails done, and yeah, I'll chat to you then. Hey guys, I was supposed to end the vlog today and I completely forgot to, but anyway, I'm going to end the vlog right now. I didn't get my nails done. There was a bit of a mix up with my appointment today, so I won't be getting them done till next week. I'm going to end the vlog like I said right now. I will talk to all of you guys in my next one. I hope you have a great weekend, great week, great day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you in my next vlog. Bye guys.